already. It wasn't that long ago. I had nasty coughing spell, and now it looks like I got it again. I just feel so frustrated and so challenged by a nasty cough, and got to be grateful so many more people have more tougher challenges. So hats off to those folks for sure. Fighter issues are greater than mine, obviously. So still, wellness is a great spot to be, and when you get there, do all you can to stay there. So colds come and go for sure. So all you can do is be your best. It sounded like a dying cover my mouth there, but for demonstration purposes, that's the sound, and didn't want to muffle it with my hand. Anyway, eat healthy. Some of these items don't hurt either. Not just when you're sick, but all the time. Minus the cold medicine, of course. Late in November 2015, I was sick as well. And Laura made fun of me and resulted in me getting a whole bunch of views on this channel. Eat healthy, stay well.